Hello, in this video we are going to cover the delete operation, which I'm sure you can guess what it does. It allows you to delete a row or a selection of rows. So what we're going to do is delete the row which has a name of Farhan. And what we're going to do is first create a SQL query. I'm going to click delete from test table. So because that's the table name. And now we're going to say where name equals, so this is the condition, so when the name equals Farhan, now we simply need to run it. We're using the try to make sure we handle any errors accordingly. And the main error that we would handle is something going wrong, so we just roll back the database. You can obviously print something out here as well if you want to, but the main thing is rolling it back. You need to do cursor.execute to actually run the query. So this just gives the green light to say go ahead and run it. And now we just commit all of these changes to the database. So save it, run it. You get no errors, go to our database. As you see, that row has now gone. So that's it for this video on the delete operation. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome video.